What's going on? It's ThoseEuroKids. This is our new YouTube channel.
I don't know what day it is today, but
yeah, I think it's Wednesday. Yeah, it's Wednesday. But this will be up whenever, either today or tomorrow.
we're installing my watt box.
Yeah, gonna make this rabbit shoot flames and shit. So hopefully, yeah. But yeah,
Let's give him a little sound peek.
right now we just got no resonators.
Hey man.
Yeah. We're starting this fucking wall box now.
We're just feeding it through the fireball. Nah, bro. Here, hold on.
Alright, so yeah, we had to take off this battery cover and feed this wire through the firewall. Wait, don't pull it out all the way like this. You already take it, right? Yeah, okay.
But you wanna go?
I'll double check just to make sure.
2.5 liter. 5-cylinder.
It's a twin turbo right there.
I don't think it's gonna fit through.
Wait. Hold on, wait. Tape's out.
But hold on, let's take the cord for we shouldn't punch it.
Check out my shoes. It's cold. Perks of living in Canada.
Fuck, man.
That's what I'm saying.
Jesus. So he already did lengthen these. One of them at least. I just pull it through slow.
Yeah. You're old. Looks like a baby giving birth, or a woman giving birth to.
Asian.
You're almost there.
Is the wire through?
No. Yeah, but like it just needs to be
If you can see tape, it's like
No, it's just a grommet. It needs to go over it.
see?
Look.
We did try and grab it from here, just pull from this side. Because there's no way to go. The grommet's over it.
Yeah. It just needs to go. When you hear a click like that, you get scared.
It's just got it? You got it.
Wow. Oompa Loompa.
And then this ground that's on this side, the ground that's on this side
Yeah.
goes in there.
Yeah. So we're good though. We need to get this apart.
Hit your head.
Yeah, no, I gotta get all this tape off. It's cold as balls today.
Yeah. It's fucking 0 degrees.
Hey man, you're the one wearing a sweater.
Yeah, check it out, Metallica. You already know.
Check it out, upside down. Upside down, bro. Viewers are gonna be like, what?
Check that.
Oh my god. We might have to take a little break and go inside.
Yeah, make my resume. It's time for me to get a job, boys.
Yeah, so this guy can get a car.
Yeah, not like this though. Twin turboed. I don't know.
Yeah.
I think it's too much power for
Twin
me.
turbo smart car.
Nah, fuck that. I'd rather put a Hayabusa engine in it.
duck.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
Cold air intake setup. Short runner, you know. Get the
Short runner, get that maximum fistage. What is that noise?
It's called defense.
Oh shit, I thought that was your
AC.
fucking car, bro.
Yeah, it's the car.
too much power.
Oh,
Yeah, the car's off. It's
Oh yeah.
they sneak it. They sneak it.
Look how much room for a turbo. Turbo coming soon, boys.
Right there.
Not soon, but in a couple of years.
A couple years. Got the jet over there.
Hopefully they see.
It's not really that low anymore, but
Yeah,
no.
both of our cars are in winter modes.
Yeah.
Yeah, literally every time
It's
we start
beast.
videos, it's like our cars are in winter mode.
Yeah, it's not even that low. But his Jetta, when it's low, it can only put 2 people in it.
Jesus.
So you guys get a
Snotting
whiff
on
of
your
how
car.
low it is. What do you say?
You think I'm snotting on your
Snotting on his fucking car.
Oh, and
Yeah,
I'm
that's
sick.
gross.
So
I think we're all sick in this fucking weather.
Where are these all gonna fucking run to?
Do you got Blair swearing words or no?
Pardon me?
Do you got Blair swearing words?
You don't gotta blare out shit.
I'm saying we're Portuguese, we swear a
one
lot.
of these goes to the
I mean, he's
injectors,
Italian, so
and then one of these goes to the coil packs.
he's
Alright, well,
down.
we got the instructions.
Okay, he ignored me, but whatever. Oh yeah, check those Nike Air Maxes. Nah, they're ugly as fuck.
Fresh to death, yo.
Why are they black and white?
They're not black and white.
Yes, they are, bro. Look at that Nike. Yo,
So,
sneaking. What?
They're old, bro.
Dude, you got them in
got it
August.
through the firewall.
Was it August? For sure it was August.
And I also had to go to
So,
work.
find a location. No.
Those your work shoes? You know, you read the Nike Air Maxes. Ah,
You can come around.
can I sit in the passenger seat?
If you
Fuck! Oh yeah, you gotta get a whiff of his exhaust, guys. It's pretty big, pretty fat. You don't know what I look like. Can't even see my face. Fuck it. Oh,
like right here.
his receipt to his hand jobs, maybe blow jobs. I don't know.
Hit it.
It's so cold.
Got a button.
Alright, so it's now late. I'd say like 5:30ish or whatever. We started at like 2:30. It's dark as shit. It's cold as shit. We broke one of the wires on his watt box, so we're still at it. Just cold is kind of getting to us, so I'm just chilling in Matt's car for a bit, warm myself up, and then I'll be out there and hopefully getting some updates. So, and then hopefully you guys get to see some gunshots and stuff soon. So, first start after the wiring is all done. Hopefully it works. Yeah. Fuck, it's dark as shit. You can't see anything. But hopefully it starts and then
I need a new
throw out bearing. Yeah.
Yo, what box got power?
Yeah? Yes, buddy. Yes, buddy. Wattbox has power. Buddy, Wattbox has power. We are successful so far. You can't even see the car at night.
I have no check engine light on.
No? Well, the bunny's got power. So 2.5 has the Wattbox installed. Now we're gonna set up the program and stuff, and then hopefully she'll be. You can't even see you dancing. Oh man.
I'm actually so happy.
Oh man, I'm happy we actually got it started. Like, it actually started up and we didn't fuck up the wiring somehow. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna do this program now and then check up to you real soon. In here, about to tune the Wattbox.
Let's see what she's doing.
Finally got her going.
Oh,
See what it's gonna be tuned at. Hopefully the last guy had it tuned for the car already and it still shows up. Yeah.
Okay, she's on.
Alright. Does the car have to be on for it
What?
to...
I think it's gotta have the key and on switch.
Okay. Alright.
Now I'm a noob at this program as well, so I don't know.
Yeah, we don't really know how to do all the proper tuning and stuff, but...
Like, I don't even know how it's fucking... I don't know.
What the hell?
Oh.
It said it wasn't... It popped up and said the USB wasn't recognized. Oh, man.
Yours just got warm?
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
Select which word you're connected to. Do I type in this or something? Oh. I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna try and figure this out, and then
I'll let you guys know.
we'll let you guys know. So we're here trying to get this watt box figured out, but it's not working for us. The program's just not working at all. Like, I don't know. We might just call it on this one for today, but it sucks.